Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create new admin user and standard user in macOS Ventura, how to reset password and delete admin user and standard user in macOS Ventura. Click on Apple logo. Click System Settings. Let's drop down little bit. Click Users and Groups. By default here is just an admin user and guest user. Now I am going to create new account, so click on Add Account. Type ROHIT user password. ROHIT is our admin user. Keep in mind that only admin user can create a new user and also delete that user. Click and unlock. Here you are seeing administrator and standard user. Admin user has all types of rights while a standard user has limited rights. Now I am going to create new admin user. Select administrator. Fill user full name and account name. Example Bob. Click account name. Set the user password. Click on key symbol. This is Password Assistant. It suggests what kind of password you have set. I'll keep this as the default for now, letters and numbers. Close Password Assistant. Type password hints if you want. Click Create User. As you can see, our Bob user is created. Bob is another admin user on this Mac machine. Now I am going to create new standard user. Click on Add Account. By default is selected standard user account. Fill user full name and account name. Example Larry. Click account name. Click on key symbol. Choose Manual in Password Assistant. We chose Manual because in this option we can set any type of password to set. Set the user password. Verify the password. Click on Create User. As you can see, our Larry user is created. Larry is standard user. Let's close Users and Groups. Log out as ROHIT user. Click Log Out. As you are seeing, all our users are showing on the screen. I'll just log on as Larry user. Type Larry user password. Accessibility option. Click Not Now. Data and Privacy. Click on Continue. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click Setup Letter. Are you sure you want to skip signing in with an Apple ID? Click on Skip. Screen Time option. Click Setup Letter. Choose your look. I will leave as default this option. Click on Continue. Now our Larry user is log on. Click on Apple logo. Log out as Larry user. Click Log Out. We will also log into the Bob user in the same way as we have logged into the Larry user. Now I am log on as ROHIT user again. So viewers, so far you have seen how to create user on macOS Ventura. Now we will see how to delete user and how to reset user password on macOS 13 Ventura. Click on Apple logo. Click System Settings. Let's drop down little bit. Click Users and Groups. Now I am going to delete Larry user. Click on I button. Click on Delete Account. Type ROHIT user password. Click on Unlock. Click OK. Select Delete the home folder. Click on Delete Account. As you can see, our Larry user is deleted. Now I am going to reset admin user password. Click on I button. Click Reset Password. Type the new password of Bob user. Verify the password. Click on Change Password. Now our Bob user password has been resetted. Click Done. Now I am going to delete Bob user. Bob is our admin user. Click on I button. Click on Delete Account. Click OK. Select Delete the home folder. Click on Delete Account. As you can see, our Bob user is deleted. Let's close users and groups. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to create admin user, how to create standard user, how to delete users admin and standard, how to reset user password. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.